All right, so it's I don't know, it's about 8:30, maybe 9. I didn't get going as quick as I wanted to, but anyway, I'm about to head out, and I've got essentials here: coffee cup, got some leftover chicken casserole that I'll eat later. That'll save me a little money. All of my GoPro equipment. This is the main GoPro. This is the one I use for everything. The one I'm talking to you on right now is the behind the scenes GoPro. And I also use it for some slow motion shots and things like that. We're about to walk out the door, and I'll talk to you when I get in the truck. All right, about to pull out of the driveway on this little adventure, and it's kind of what the truck looks like. Keep the cooler in the front. The back there is packed. That's where I'll be sleeping. Yeah, this is the mess that you really don't get shown very much on these on my normal videos. So I usually don't start videoing right now I'm charging my main GoPro that I do most of my videos on. So I usually don't start videoing until I get on the road, get close, see something interesting. So anyway, we'll roll on and keep showing you more. Well, I'm almost to my destination. I've made a few stops along the way, and if you look here, can you see the GoPro? I've got it mounted to that cooler right there, and just been getting some B-roll footage, and that's basically just some actually just some footage to make the video a little bit longer. That's where I'm at, using Google Maps to get there. Loaded up on food at Dollar General, and I did stop at the Jefferson Davis Memorial, which you'll see in the video. But some little shitting ass kid grabbed my GoPro and took off running with it, pushed the record button. So yeah, there's footage of that. Her mom made her give it back to me, but you'll see that in the video. But I'm not far from where I'm at, and yeah, continuation of the behind the scenes of my trip to land between the lakes. I'll show you more when we get there. All right, so I made it to my camp, setting everything up. There's a few people around, and I'd tell you, I don't like to talk too much during when there's a lot of people around. I just don't want to freak people out. All right, I just finished my supper cooking part of this. Built a little fire, hot dogs and chili, and people like to watch you cook for some reason. I don't know why. So anyway, I had to shoot that. So yeah, I hope this red shirt's not burning everybody's retinas out. So, little behind the scenes here. Got up. GoPro battery went dead, so I just swapped that out. So you have to take this whole little thing off. So luckily I have 4 batteries pre-charged. So there's a plus. I just filmed a segment of me cooking back here. Not cooking, but making coffee. So but I've already got the truck opened up. Some of this footage I may actually use in the main video. I do have a few rules that I go by when I video, and some of them are just superstitious, and I feel like I should do it for good luck. And then what that is, I have to have my coffee cup or my Yeti cup with my Van Halen sticker and my other stickers. And I don't know if y'all figured it out by now, but Van Halen's my favorite band. I have to have that in all the videos. And another rule is I never mention going home at the end of my videos. Now I may have in some of my older ones, I don't know, when you talk about going home and, oh, I gotta go home. Well, the video's over because I gotta go home and go to work tomorrow. That just kills the whole vibe of why you're watching the video. I mean, we all gotta work tomorrow, you know? We all know you probably gotta work tomorrow. We don't want to hear about that. That just kills the vibe of the video. I've heard other YouTubers do it, and it made me think, you know, I'm not going to do that anymore. If I have been doing it, I'm not sure if I've even done it at all in the past, really. I think I may have by accident, but usually, sometimes when I do, I just cut it out in editing. I don't mention it. I'm sure I'll think of something else, more of my video rules. I try not to video too much and get the most exciting clips I can, and sometimes stuff looks better in real life than it does on video. So yeah, I try not to load the video down with just too much stuff that it's not camera you know, just doesn't look good on camera. It's not exciting. Running back and forth, setting up the tripod with the camera on it. Yeah, most of my videos are these unscripted works of art. So you do have brain lock sometimes. I just kind of think of what I want to say, and then I hit the record button on the camera. Sometimes your brain just locks up and you don't say what you wanted to say. Just like the 10th time I've tried to say this, and now here we are. And now this brings us to the last step of the video making process, which is the editing. And I'm here at the computer cutting this thing down into a watchable video. I usually end up with at least probably 2 hours of footage. I cut it down to, you know, 15-20 minutes. Part of the editing process is making the thumbnail. And if you don't know what the thumbnail is, that's the little picture that you see listing of the video. I make my thumbnails on Canva. And I usually just take a clip out of the video, put some words on it, and try to make an attractive thumbnail that'll attract you to watch my videos. If you want to see the full video, go to my main channel, TNP 5150 Outsider. This is my secondary channel, TNP 5150 Everything. That's what it's called, TNP 5150 Everything. I'll put the link in the description for you so you can go right to it. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching this, and I hope you found it informative, and I hope it was fun for you to watch. All right, I'm gonna finish up editing this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.